other. Hey guys, I'm Saina
And I'm Manisha.
and you're watching Saisha. So we went on Snapchat and Instagram and asked you guys to send us certain questions, and we got a pretty good amount of questions. So this is one of the highly requested videos since most of you guys have asked us to do a Q&A video. So here we are. So before we start with this video, go on and hit that subscribe button and make sure to click on the notification bell so that you're the one who gets notified whenever we first upload our video. So I guess enough of this intro, let's just get started with this video. Okay, so let's start with Snapchat first. So the very first question is asked by Mannat Bhatia 112, and she asked, how did you thought of starting a YouTube channel? So basically we both had started up with a YouTube channel in 2015, separate YouTube channels, and because of certain confidence issues and because of studies, we both had ceased our separate channels. And then we became really good friends over time, and then we thought about starting a YouTube channel together, and that's how we made it here. Okay, so the next question was asked by Anumit Walia, and the question was, things you love and hate about each other. So the thing I hate most about Tanisha has to be that she's very clumsy and she doesn't take things very seriously, so that creates an issue sometimes. And the thing, was you want to say what you hate about me? Yes. So the thing I hate about Saina is her taunts, and whenever she's angry with me, she just loses it. So the thing that I really love about Tanisha has to be that she's very pretty and she's very understanding, as well as she is the only one person that I can fully trust. So what is the thing that you love about me? So there are a lot of things that I love about her. Firstly, it would be that even though I trouble her a lot, she still continues to love me and she understands me really well. So Manav asked us, how you both are so cute? Probably the genes. So next up we have Tanisha M2052, it's not her. When did you started your YouTube channel and who supported you the most? So basically we started off with a YouTube channel back in October, and the ones who supported us has to be our friends, our family, and most of all Tanisha, of course, because after all, yeah. So the next question is asked by Divya Savnani, and she asks us, what do you guys study? So basically we are still in school. We are doing currently our grade 12, and we are both in humanities, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Ritika Parmar 10 asks us, what is your height? So basically I'm 5'4" and I'm 5'4.5". Yeah. We also have this another question wherein P. Gulati22 asks us, what's your age and what are you pursuing? So we both are 17 right now, and as we said, we are in grade 12. So we currently aren't pursuing anything specific, but you can say that we are pursuing YouTube for for long term. So yeah. So Heki_24 asks us, hey guys, love your channel, thank you. It's super cool. I wanted to ask what do you want to pursue ahead, and what's your dream job? Love you both. Well, we love you too. So since we've talked about what we are pursuing, we would move on to the next question, that is, what's your dream job? So we both are trying to be successful YouTubers, and with the word successful we do not mean in the monetary terms, but in the way that we want you guys to feel happy that we are making YouTube videos and you guys are inspired from it. Moreover, I am trying to, I see myself as an actor in these upcoming years, so yeah. So Riya Chadha has asked us, how did you guys grow your hair? So we've been getting a lot of questions wherein you've asked us about how we grew our hair and what all we do to keep our hair long and maintained. So we were planning that we'll make a separate hair story video, so you guys can stay tuned for that. The next question is asked by Sukriti, and her question is, who all are your favorite singers? So for Bollywood, I definitely Arijit Singh, and moreover I also like Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez and Ariana Grande. What about you?
So talking about the Bollywood thing, I would also go for Arijit Singh, and I would also go for Arman Malik and Atif Aslam. I like him too. Yeah. For talking about the English thing, I would go for Justin Bieber and Mashals by Demo. The next question is by Rachita Ross, and she asked us, in which school are you in or were in, and in what grade?
So we've already answered that we are in grade 12, and for school, well, basically we both go to Maxford School, that's in Delhi. So yeah, and thank you Rachita for being such a loyal subscriber. We've been noticing you since we've started our YouTube channel. So thank you for being so dedicated, and
also the very fact that you sent in a lot of messages about every video of ours, that is really encouraging, and we love you. Rakhi Turani asks us, how did you both meet, and how is the bond so strong?
As we guys have told you in our introductory video, we basically met at school,
and the bond is really strong since we both understand each other really well,
and basically we both believe that talking about things and discussing about each other's life on a constant basis helps the bond to be strong. We like the same things, we have the same interests, we hate the same thing, and moreover, besides words, our eyes can talk as much, and
we both love each other's craziness, and that's why, Anandi had asked us, why did you start with a YouTube channel?
Well, for me, I used to watch these YouTubers making videos, and I was so obsessed with the idea that they create such interesting videos, and I was the kind of person who used to stay glued, who used to keep my eyes glued to the screen, and I used to keep watching all these YouTubers. So basically my interest developed, and I thought of why not starting my own YouTube channel and showcase my own creativity, and that's how I started a YouTube channel.
And for me it is pretty much the same, and I just wanted to go out and try something new, so I started with a channel back in 2015, as you guys know, and then over time things changed and we started one together.
We also have this question that is asked by Nishant, which says, can you guys give dieting tips, and how do you guys keep yourself so fit? Well, to be really honest, I personally don't do anything. I eat a lot. I eat a lot of fatty things, and I still don't get fat. Maybe that's the way my body is. It doesn't react to fats and carbs that quickly. So I don't follow a diet, and
So for me, in the past I was quite bulky, but then I thought about exercising, and I didn't really control what I ate, but I just simultaneously exercised, and that's how it has helped me, and currently I don't really pay much attention.
So Dipali182002 asks us, favorite fashion icon? Well, for me, my favorite fashion icon has to be Sonam Kapoor, because she's just fabulous at what she wears. She has a great sense of fashion. Moreover, Deepika Padukone,
hey, that's fine.
Moreover, Deepika Padukone has a great fashion sense as well.
Yes.
I love what she wore at Cannes this year. And you?
Mine has always been Deepika Padukone, and
At Gage62 asks us, what does your username mean, and who inspired you to start your own YouTube channel? So our username is Saisha, as in like our channel name is Saisha. We refer to it as Saisha as well. So it's basically derived from both of our names, like Sai and Tanisha's Shah. So yeah. So we also have this question wherein Fatma Junaid asked us, do you guys have any plan for a meetup? And I love you both. Well, we love you too.
And meetup, currently we've not thought about this, but if we really grow, and then we will plan out something.
So we also have this question asked by Tanish Sharma, wherein he asks us, any plans for making more vlogs? We currently don't vlog as much, but we definitely have plans, and
so if we are going to do something interesting in the future, then we'll surely vlog it for you guys.
yeah. So let us know if you want us to do some behind the scenes. We'll do that as well.
Okay, so we'll move on to Instagram, and the first question is by Riya Chandra, and she asked us yours and Saina's friendship story.
Oh God.
So it's a pretty long story, to be honest. It started with us knowing each other. We were in different classes, so we had certain mutual friends, so we were normal friends, and over time
Wait, let me tell them that the teachers used to think that we're the same person, as in Saina used to be Tanisha sometimes and Tanisha used to be Saina, so maybe,
and this is still continuing.
yeah, we probably twins so much. We went on this trip from the school side, and then we both became really good friends. So in class 7 our classes merged, and then our friendship bloomed as well. So with time we realized that there was a lot more that we could have done together besides fighting for no reason. Well, it was not a fight, but then again we didn't seem to like each other much.
That was the time when we both had lost quite a bit of friends. So we soon realized that it would be really good if we could help each other in those times, and
because we both needed someone who could be there for us, and maybe the mutual understanding between both of us bloomed into a great friendship, and that's how we both are still together.
The next question is by shining_star_029, and she asks us, share your memories about the day you both first met. PS, I love your videos and you both. Thank you so much.
We love you too.
So the day we first met was actually quite long back. We met in class 2nd, I guess.
We were little kids. I don't think I remember what happened on the first day that we met. We probably didn't meet at all. Like, we were sitting in the same class or
It
something.
was not a proper interaction, like one day interaction. We just got to know each other.
We just got to know, Okay, we also have this question from Samakshi.goel. She asked us, how you guys are so beautiful, some beauty tips. Well, thank you for the compliment. Well, we can surely come up with a few beauty hacks and tips for you guys. So,
and we can make a separate video if you want us to.
yes.
So Ishan Pal has asked us, what are your plans for the upcoming video? So we are planning to do a summer series for you guys, including DIY, summer essentials, and then you guys can also expect 2 videos a week, and we'll do our best to deliver.
Yeah. So the next question that is asked is by Varnika Nivar, and she asks us, what are your favorite shopping brands and online sites too for shopping? Well, my favorite has to be Forever 21. Yeah, so that's that, and
For makeup and other products, very nice.
Nykaa, yeah. So the next question is asked by Shan. So he asks us, please can you guys sing for us? Well, so let's sing Humsafar from Badrinath ki Duraniya. ऐ मेरे हमसफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांस चलती जिधर रहूँगा बस वहीं उम्र भर, रहूँगा बस वहीं उम्र भर है। जितनी हंसी ये मुलाकातें हैं, उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं, बातों में तेरी जो हो जाते हैं, रहूँ ना होश में मैं कभी, बाहों में है मेरी जिंदगी है। So that's it for this video. We are so thankful for you guys. You guys have sent in so many of these questions and we loved answering it for you guys.
So just in case we missed any of the questions out there, you can just put a comment down below, and then we'll try and answer them in another question answer video.
So go on and video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are so close to 2000 subscribers and we'd love if you guys could help us in that.
So that's it, and we'll see you guys in the next summer series video. Bye guys!